In this video, we will look at a few ways users can customize how they view and interact with Open-AudIT. With Open-AudIT, your discovery data is the foundation for AI-powered compliance insights. Open-AudIT ships with a variety of different elements, but that does not stop you from customizing them. This allows you to highlight the data and be flexible in the decision-making of what matters the most to you and your organization. Let's look at how to customize dashboards, queries, and fields. Dashboards are an integral part of Open-AudIT, providing the end user with information that is quick to enact upon in a variety of different visualizations, dependent on the type of data being displayed. Open-AudIT can display data in graphical, such as pie and line, as well as in a widget format, also known as status, capturing what is important based off defined widgets. In previous videos in this series, we covered the pre-built dashboards Open-AudIT ships with and how to edit them. To create a new dashboard, from the top navigation bar, click on the Manage drop-down, then select Dashboards. The dashboard screen will display. Click on the Create button. First, provide the dashboard with a name. You can also provide an optional description here as well and set the organization if applicable. Following through the creation of the dashboard, the next question is to display the sidebar or not. This displays a number of quick queries that can be run surrounding devices, discoveries, and reporting. An example of this can be found in the devices dashboard that Open-AudIT ships with. For this demonstration, I will select yes. The layout is an important item to focus on when creating a dashboard in Open-AudIT. If we click on the drop-down for this item, we have a number of layouts to choose from, meaning how many widgets to display. If you observe on the right-hand side of this screen, there are examples of how widgets will be displayed depending on the layout of your choosing. For this example, we will leave it as a 3x2 dashboard. Next, we will choose the widgets we want to display. As you can see, when choosing the drop-down on the first widget, we have a variety of widgets built into Open-AudIT and a reference with the type of visualization that they will display. Once we have constructed our dashboard, click on Submit at the bottom. With our new dashboard created, it is now easily accessible to you by navigating to the Dashboards drop-down in the top navigation bar, then selecting the new dashboard. Queries are also an important part of Open-AudIT. They allow teams to analyze the detailed information collected by Open-AudIT in different ways. They help identify patterns, compliance risks, and can feed reports, dashboards, and compliance analysis. Queries can be invoked by navigating to the top navigation bar, clicking on Manage, then Queries. To run a query that exists in this list, it is as simple as clicking on the Execute button to the left of the query of choice. We can also inspect a query by clicking on the Details button to the left of the query as well. When inspecting an Open-AudIT query, we can utilize the predefined SQL query to formulate our own Open-AudIT query. We can also execute the query from this screen as well by clicking on the Execute button in the top center of the screen. Having a flexible IT asset management tool is important in any organization, and with Open-AudIT, its flexibility allows organizations to track information specific to their environment. With custom fields in Open-AudIT, this allows teams to associate additional, unique information to the organization with managed devices. Examples of this could be asset ownership, device location, customer service identification, or compliance classifications. Fields are created in Open-AudIT by navigating to the top navigation bar, selecting the Manage drop-down, then Fields. Open-AudIT ships with a handful of predefined fields. These include integrations with FirstWave's network management suite of products, including NMIS, OP-Config, and OP-Events. More information about these products and others in our suite of network management, monitoring, cybersecurity, and AI-driven compliance can be found on our website. To create a new field, click on Create on the top right. We then give the field a name and select the organization if applicable. On the type drop-down, we have 3 options available: varchar, list, and date. Depending on the type you select, the value text field below will become unavailable. For example, if we select varchar, this becomes unavailable. But if we select list, we can input values into this field. In this example, we will choose varchar. Once all fields are populated, then click on submit. To utilize this new field, we can associate it with a device in our inventory. On a device, from the left-hand panel, choose Fields in the Summary section. The SID field becomes available for use. You are then able to insert your relevant value into this text field, clicking on the tick to save. Custom fields add personalized context to your network overview. Queries analyze that information, and dashboards bring everything together into a clear operational view. Features like these help Open-AudIT provide complete network discovery with AI-driven insights. That's a quick look at how you can customize Open-AudIT 6 for your business.